When? From this evening until further notice. Impacts at 5.5 feet. Open areas adjacent to the protection across New Providence, Chatham Township, and Berkeley Heights. At 6.0 feet, portions of the Shepherd College Park in Chatham floods. River Road by Henry Drive is subject to closures. At 6.5 feet, the Central and Ridge Avenue bridges in Chatham Township are subject to closures. Edgewood Road is closed. Additional details, at 10:15 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 5.9 feet and rising. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage late this evening to 6.3 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall to 6.0 feet and begin rising again tomorrow morning. It will rise to 6.5 feet early Friday morning. It will then fall again but remain above flood stage. Flood stage is 6.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 6.4 feet on March 11, 2011. http://www.weather.gov/safety/